Welcome back. Today, we are exploring constants and formatted output in Go. These tools may seem small, but they are essential for writing clean, readable, and professional programs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to log in important values and make your output look polished. Let's start with constants. A constant is a value that never changes during your program. Think of it like the speed of light, a tax rate, or your company name. Once you set it, Go won't let you modify it. Let's see an example. Declare a constant. Const app name smart pay. Then print out the constant. fmt.print application name, comma, app name. App name is a constant. Then when you execute this program, you'll see application name smart pay. Here, the keyword const is used to declare a constant. App name is fixed. Go will throw an error if you try to change it later. So, constants are ideal for values that should remain the same throughout your program. Sometimes you have several constants together. Go allows you to group them, which keeps your code neat. For example, declare multiple constants. Const, open bracket, then write constant names. For example, max login attempts 5, tax rate 0.07. And you can also add more constants here. Then you can print out the constants, fmt.print maximum login attempts, comma, max login attempts. fmt.print tax rate, comma, tax rate. Then when you run this program, you will see maximum login attempts 5, tax rate 0.07. Therefore, using constants lets you declare several constants at once. That's great for fixed values like configuration settings, API keys, or limits. Next, let's learn formatted output. Raw printing works, but for professional programs, formatting matters. Therefore, the fmt.printf function helps you print text, numbers, and decimals cleanly. Here is an example. Declare variables such as user, value is Asibe, age, value is 28, balance, value is 2543.756. Then we can format the outputs using fmt.printf hello %s you are %d years old, new line. Then here, comma, user, comma, age. Again for balance, fmt.printf your current balance, dollar symbol, %.2f, new line, comma, balance. Here, %s is for a string that is a placeholder to insert a string of username. %d is a placeholder for integer. %.2f is a placeholder for float with 2 decimals. \n is a new line. So here, for example, username is automatically inserted into the first placeholder. So this is a string, and age is automatically inserted into the second placeholder, %d, and so on. Then when you run this program, you will see hello Asibe, you are 28 years old. Your current balance 2,543.76. Therefore, formatted output is crucial for creating readable reports, logs, or invoices. Now let's combine constants and formatted output in a real-world scenario, generating a simple invoice. Here we define constants first. Const, open bracket, tax rate, 0.07, company name, smart pay. Then declare variables. For example, item, smartphone, price, 999.99. Next, perform calculations. Tax, price times tax rate. Tax rate is a constant and price is a variable, contains the price of an item, then store the result of the calculation into a variable tax. We also calculate total price plus tax. Then we are going to format our invoice report. fmt.printf invoice dash then %s new line comma company name. fmt.printf item colon %s new line price colon dollar percent dot to f new line tax colon dollar percent dot to f new line total colon dollar percent dot to f new line. Then we call the variables sequentially. We first call the string that is item, comma, price, comma, tax, comma, total. All right. The first declaration contains constants for values that never change, such as company name and tax rate. And the second declarations are variables for details that can vary, such as product name or item name and price. And the third one is calculation that calculate tax and total. Finally, we print the invoice neatly using formatted output. And then when you run this program, you will see formatted outputs, which contains a company name and the item name, price, tax, and total price. Therefore, using constants and formatted output together ensures your programs are safe, readable, and professional, just like real-world applications. All right. Today you have learned constants lock in values that shouldn't change. Formatted output makes your programs readable and polished. Combining them is perfect for things like invoices, reports, and dashboards. Practice these steps in your own projects. Next, we will dive into operators and expressions in Go and see how to perform calculations like a pro. See you in the next lesson.